Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change age on Epic Games. Unfortunately, you cannot directly change your age on Epic Games. If you want to do that, you will simply need to go ahead and contact Epic Games support. Open up your Epic Games launcher and log into your account. From the home page, click on your profile picture at the top right and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and click on Support. Once you open up your Help and Support page for Epic Games, go ahead and find a way to contact to the customer service representative. Click on the Contact Us button and reach out to the customer support request page. You can then go ahead and enter all of your information asked on the page and describe that you would like to change your age. Explain your situation and finally click on the Submit an Email request. After you do that, they might be able to assist you with your age changes. If that doesn't help, then you should consider creating a new account. While creating a new account, you can then write down your correct age information, and this is the only way you will be able to change your age on Epic Games. If you found the video to be informational, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.